flows softly through its leaves. Another story becomes one of its thousand memories. It has seen what happened in the last 100 years. All the fights of love and of hate. Time is another dimension for it. It's always there, does never go away from here. The animals are its closest friends, but its best friend is a little bird. And the tree said, fly, fly high up to the sky and look for some places and stories for me. And the bird flew high, so high up to the sky and looked for some places and stories for the tree. The bird lives in its crown since a year. He's telling stories of far away from here. So the tree starts to dream itself away onto a journey through a different country. And the tree said, fly, fly high up to the sky and look for some places and stories for me. And the bird flew high, so high up to the sky and looked for some places and stories for the tree. In autumn, the bird leaves towards south. The tree falls into a deep sleep, dreaming of a smiling sun, knowing in spring its bird will come. And the tree said, fly, fly high up to the sky and return with some stories, an impression for me. And the bird flew high, so high up to the sky and returned with some stories, an impression for its tree. And the tree said, fly, fly high up to the sky and return with some stories and impressions for me. And the bird flew high, so high up to the sky and returned with some stories and impression for its tree. It returned with some stories and impression for